Hello. Today I would like to present you a little project about a Microsoft ARM that I've realized with Fusion 360. This idea is coming from a professional Microsoft ARM. Going to the details, here you can see that I used I'm printing the connection between these profiles of 25 millimeters aluminum. Yeah, and then I'm printing also the base that is on the table with this hole. You can use a normal clamp, table clamp, or a specific one for microphones. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you for watching.